Okay, you give your R to me because it's the third letter.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Are you sure? Oh, that's not anything.
Don't give it back.
Peggy, let me feel yours. Where are you?
Somewhere around here. Oh, no, that's no, it's over here. Funny.
Well, that's not funny.
I think this is a D. Let me feel it.
This is a D, I think.
What?
Let's try to spell yard so you would have the D. What
That's
have you got? You don't have anything.
Well, you took my D.
Well, this is not the
Well, the
one
D
I had.
ends
Is
with a
it?
D.
No, this is not the one
Peggy,
I had.
where are you?
I'm right here.
Okay. Well, let me. Okay, there.
Let's see.
Well, where's the one I had? This is not it.
You don't need the one you had. You're trying to get them in order.
Spell the word.
Yard.
Peggy, this is a Y. I
It's
think
an R.
here.
Okay.
I don't know what this is.
I have to have a Y.
Well, you've got it. I just gave it to you.
Okay.
Uh,
And you got the A.
Well, I'm not sure.
Well, wait a minute. I have.
Poop. Well, I think this is the R.
Is that the one I had?
I don't know. I think this is an A.
Yeah, I do too.
ding, 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 ding. You got them in the right order.